Hey girlfriend, how are you doing today? I hope you're good, I hope you're fine, and I hope you are fantastic. Today is a special day and this video is a special video. I will be recreating another of DIMMA UMEH'S makeup looks. I've created one on this platform before. If you've not seen that video, oh my gosh, you are missing out big time. So kindly catch up on that video by clicking on the link you're seeing on your screen to watch the full video and rate my looks in the comment section of the video. So moving into this video, my people, I have a dinner date night to attend to today, and so I decided to recreate another of DIMMA UMEH'S makeup looks for the second time. Guys, I was going through a makeup tutorial over the years and I stumbled upon this one. This particular video has been on YouTube for 2 years now, and then I said,
this is the makeup that I'm going to use.
What am I doing? Guys, I want you to comment about this, my look, the finished look, and then rate it on a scale of 0 to 100% in the comment section below. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you click on the red subscription button to subscribe. It is totally and completely free. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. So guys, let us delve into this video. Let's swim into it. Let's swim like a jellyfish.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright guys, it seems that I went to Chinatown. So what do you feel about this look? I hope you like this look. Rate my look on a scale of 0 to 100%, and whatever is your comment, kindly comment it in the comment section below. Yes guys, I recreated DIMMA UMEH'S look, and this is the finished look. I know that the colors that I use are a bit not the same as that of DIMMA UMEH, but guys, remember the makeup products you use are completely different from what I used. So guys, rate me on a scale of 0 to 100 and comment your responses about this look, the processes and everything in the comment section below. See you on my next video. Bye for now.